Good noon time, everybody. 77 degrees. Can you believe? It's the first full week of January, and we're already 78 to 80 degrees. Can you believe that? Well, the thing is, it's going to stay on the mild side through most of this week, but what we're looking now is the return of a lot of moisture, and that might lead us to the opportunity of getting a little rain later this week. Notice these temperatures up to 78 down in Brownsville this afternoon, and basically all of the country is in a warm situation. Now, we have a little frontal system here, but that's only dropping the weather temperature maybe about 5 to 8 degrees, so it's not a major front. This one is a rain system with just a very little bit of ice up there in the upper Great Lakes. Bottom line is, it's January and it just doesn't look like it on the map. Now, as far as we're concerned, we've got increasing clouds. Where are they coming from? From the Pacific. There's a big surge of tropical moisture. You think, why do I care about clouds from the Pacific? Well, these are going to be over our area, and as we get closer to the latter part of this week, this front will be close enough to give us a rain opportunity. This is another very powerful storm headed to the California coast. They had one over the weekend, now they got another one, and these are big storms. Now, notice the big warming trend. We're looking at 52 as a high in Chicago today. And you know anybody from Chicago, ask them if that is like unusually warm, because all that warm weather is throughout much of the southeastern quadrant of the country. And now for us, we start looking at the following. This is a water vapor. You can see the blue stuff. That's beginning to get more and more moist. And then we look at where it taps into down here. Now, see this darker area here? This is the Pacific Ocean in El Nino. What this means is the water here about 2 to 5 degrees warmer than normal. Ordinarily, we wouldn't say, well, what do we care? Well, we do care, because any storm that dips down this far south will bring a lot of moisture into our area. And of course, we've got that big storm that we're watching. So those two tap together, and we could have some significant precipitation around our area. So this little front is very slowly moving across Texas. You can see how we'll be under cloudy skies. The front on Tuesday will get close enough to maybe give us a sprinkle or two, but the best opportunity is not till about Thursday or Friday. You can see how the moisture starts coming up. You can see how the moisture starts coming up from the Pacific as well. You can see how the frontal systems start getting close to our area. That's why on Thursday and Friday we have the best chance for rain. Mild weather today in the 70s, but the punchline is you won't need any kind of winter jacket through the next 7 days. Little front will drop the temperature about 5 to 8 degrees. Best chance of rain right now is Friday, and we'll certainly be here watching it to see how it develops. That's your forecast, brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy.